science video class of standard 2. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the water cycle. What is the name of a chapter? Water cycle. Yes students, so can you tell me what is the need of a water? Why do we use water? For what purpose? Yes, we use water for drinking, then bathing, cooking. Yes, in each and every purpose, for each and every reason we need a water. Yes or no? Yes, but what is the main use of water? For drinking. What is the color of water? Can you tell me? No, water is of no color. Then what is the taste of water? No taste. Water have any type of smell? Yes or no? No. So water has no color, no taste or no smell. Look at here. We all drink water. It has no color, taste or smell. Water has no color, no taste or no smell. Do you know in which forms there is water? Yes, water is found in a 3 form. How many form? 3 form. That is liquid, solid and gas. What are the 3 form of water? Liquid, solid and gas. See, water in liquid form. Look at here. Yes. Water in liquid form is very important for all living things. It is used for drinking, bathing, swimming, washing, etc. Water which we use for drinking, bathing, swimming and washing. In which form it is? It is in liquid form. In which form? Liquid form. See, look at here. When we are boiling the water or when we are heating the water, then it will change in which form? It will change in gaseous form. And when we keep the water in a freeze, do you know? Yes, we are keeping water in a refrigerator. Yes or no? Yes, in refrigerator there is a freezer. Yes, in that what we do? We keep water and water will turn into a ice. What will happen? Water will turn into a ice. So that ice is known as a solid form of water. What? It is known as a solid form of water. And what we have learned? After heating, water will turn into gaseous form. Yes or no? Yes. Do you have seen any time? At the time when we are keeping water on heating, vapor is coming out? Yes or no? Yes. See, if food is too hot, at that time also what vapor is coming out? Yes or no? Yes. So that is vapor. That is water vapor. At the time of heating, water will turn into gaseous form. And when the water will cool down, at that time it will turn into liquid form. Water which we are using for bathing, drinking, swimming, this all is a liquid form of water. Again, see, what is liquid form of water? Water we use for drinking, bathing, cooling, this all is liquid form of water. Then what is solid form of water? When water will turn into ice on freezing, when we keep some water in freezer or in refrigerator, then what it will become? It will become ice. That is solid form. And when we heat the water and this vapor will come out, it is known as gaseous form. So what were the 3 form of water? Liquid, solid and gaseous. Is it clear? Yes. So turn the page, take next one. Have you ever seen steam coming out of a kettle? Steam is also called a water vapor. It is water in the form of a gas. Yes, say in early morning your mother is filling some tea in a kettle. Yes or no? Yes. So when the tea is too hot, at that time what is coming? Steam is coming out of a kettle. Yes or no? Yes, when tea is too hot, at that time what will come? Steam is coming out from that kettle. Then if Maggi is too hot, at that time also steam is coming out. Yes or no? Yes, when any food is too hot, at that time what will happen? Steam will come out from that vessels, and that steam is known as water vapor. What is that steam? Steam is known as water vapor, and that form is known as gaseous form. We have learned it before. Yes or no? Yes, when we are heating the water and steam is coming out, it is known as gaseous form. Now say solid form. Now there is one activity. What you have to do? See, fill a container with water and keep it in the freezer. Everyone will do this activity at home. What you have to do? You have to fill a container with water. See, some tree are coming. Yes or no? Yes. What you have to do? You have to fill that trees or any other container with water, and then you have to keep it in the freezer. What you have to do? You have to keep that container in a freezer. Then leave it for few hours. You will find that the water has changed into ice. Ice is the solid form of water. What we have done? We have filled the container with water, and then we will keep it in a freezer. Then after some time what will happen? That water will change into ice. Yes or no? Yes, water will convert into ice. So वो ice को हम क्या बोलेंगे? It is the solid form of water. Which form it is? Solid form of water. See, we have learned two things. Gaseous form, that is water vapor, and solid form, that is ice. Now what is liquid form? Water which we use for drinking, bathing, cooking, it's all is liquid form. Now next, water can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. We can change the form of water. Yes, if we are heating the water, then it will become gaseous form. If we are cooling the water, then it will become liquid form. And if we are keeping the water in a freezer, then it will form into ice, and that ice is known as solid form. So can we change the form of water? Yes. See, change of water into water vapor on heating is called as evaporation. See, when we are converting the water into water vapor, when water will change into water vapor, and when water will change into water vapor? During heating. So the process when water will change into water vapor is known as evaporation. What is known as evaporation? Then when water vapor will change into water, if we cool this water, then it will known as condensation. What it will known as? Condensation. See, change of water vapor into water on cooling is called as condensation, and when we change the water into ice, then it will known as freezing. What it is? Freezing. And if we change the ice into water, then it is known as melting. What it is? Melting. Here these are four new and the main words. First is evaporation, condensation, freezing and melting. What is evaporation? When water will change into water vapor. If we heat the water, अगर हम लोग पानी को गर्म करते हैं, then it will change into water vapor and it is known as evaporation. Then if we cool the water, अगर हम लोग पानी को कूल कर देते हैं then that water vapor will change into water, so it is known as condensation. Then if we keep the water in freezer then it will become ice, so that is known as freezing. And when ice will melt, then that ice when the ice will melt, at that time it is known as melting. Understood? Yes. See, this is a cycle. Water, if we heat the water then water will become steam. Yes या no? Yes. Then if we cool the water, cool the steam, then again it will become water. Then on freezing what will become? Ice. If we keep water in a freezer then it will become ice. And if we again keep it on heating then again it will become water. See, on heating water will become steam, on cooling it will become water, again on freezing it will become ice, and if it is heating then it will become water. Understood or not? Yes. So here there is one activity for you, that is Debbie's time, but this is for homework. What you have to do? You have to just write give one word. See number 1, change of water into water vapor on heating. If we change the water into water vapor, then what we call it as evaporation. So in the same way, this 5, give one word, you have to do it in homework. See the next page. Yes, so next is water cycle. What is our next topic? Water cycle. See, journey of water from earth to sky and back to the earth is known as water cycle. What is water cycle? Do you know how rain is coming? No. So in this water cycle we will learn that how rain is coming, how water will move towards the sky, and how it will come back to the earth. But this water cycle we will learn in our next video. Okay? Bye.